In the lower part of the Gantt diagram you have an easy-to-use timeline feature. Start a simulation and view how the project evolves during a certain time duration. Pause, play or stop the animation. The timeline also shows duration of the simulation. Speed it up or view it in slow motion. Scrub through by sliding the timeline cursor backwards or forwards. The red line indicates a precise date on the timeline. Move it and see how the objects linked to the various periods are reproduced at certain dates.